welcome back with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen one more time again. It's amazing. Anyway, today we want to give you a volume 2 of the Jamaican stew chicken. You know, chicken is Chef Ricardo top list all the time. We always give you a chicken. Basically, I know a lot of people don't like the idea of me doing the same thing over and over, but it's in different style. All right. So if you're at home and you feel like you cook for a big family, this come in handy for you. You can do this recipe at home. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And remember, don't forget to donate to the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. We got a lot more stuff coming out for you. You know, we always buying ingredients, we always buying stuff to make the fans them happy. So if you got too much money, you can always donate some to Chef Ricardo to make his show better. Thank you so much. See you next time, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. Get a copy of my cookbook on Amazon, 50% off. See you next time. Bye bye. In the kitchen, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Nice and lovely. So remember, this is gonna be the volume 3 of the stew chicken, and we did marinate it 24 hours ago. So we want to show you how to cook it if you're cooking a large portion of stew chicken at home for your family, or for a friend for a party or a birthday party. This is how you do it. First of all, you need a big medium-sized pot like this one. And second thing, all I'm gonna do is pop a pinch of oil, not too much. Make the oil circulate all into the front pan like this, into the pot. And second thing, remember, we got some blending season. Just saute a little bit in the pot. Next is just to put the chicken just like that with it. So as I can see, this is the stew chicken cooking today. I know you guys are gonna love this one. So we already put in some season, and I have it on a medium-sized heat. Put in the chicken. All I'm gonna do is to cover it like this. Allow it for it to sweat and bring its own liquid, juice, everything gonna come together. Enjoy the recipe. So in the meantime it's sweating and you cover it, you're gonna keep stirring it, and after you stir it, after that, then in the meantime also we're gonna cut up some pepper and mixed peppers, carrot and potato. That's what I'm gonna prep now. Alright? Look at that. That is fantastic. Beautiful. It's a lot of chicken, guys. Seriously. So today we're just cooking for a small birthday party, and that's the way Chef Ricardo do it. So now what we're gonna do right here, guys, we have potato, carrot, and some white onion. Alright. Next thing, we're gonna put some spring onion, and also we wanna put some peppers inside of it. That's some mixed pepper which we're gonna put inside of it. So this is for the birthday party today. Stew chicken we are cook. Nice and lovely. We give it the volume 1 out of marinate it already. The volume 2, sorry. So this is the volume 3 out to cook it. And I'm telling you, the scent of this stew chicken is marvelous. Smells really nice. That's the green pepper. Now we're gonna put some red pepper inside of it, because the pepper give it a lot of flavor also. It's stew chicken. Nice and lovely. All I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of salt, pepper. If you notice, I didn't put no salt in my food. Nice and lovely. So basically, it's bring its own juice. You don't need to add any water. Look at that. That is fantastic. So all I'm gonna do now is cover it and leave it. Make it go and simmer for 12 minutes. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So I just finished the stew chicken, and that's the way it look. Lovely and nice, as you can see. So if you're at home and you want to do some large pot of stew chicken, this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about, guys. This is like roughly a box of chicken, which is a lot of pieces in it, 32 pieces, which is cut up into curry chicken style, stew chicken style. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. So we're gonna share it out with some Jamaican fried dumpling. So, and basically I just half an hour I take to cook the chicken on a medium size heat. That's the best way to cook the chicken. Take half an hour proper cook. So spray his own juice, his own liquid. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.